I do like the report format. I like how it's set up, the ease of it, the functionality of it. Just the whole system I have found to be very, very workable, especially for the officers on the street. It is simple enough that that they don't need to be afraid of the software. They can go right in and start typing away, and to be able to quickly access information and to be able to put that information and then retrieve it out in a very usable context, and they don't have to worry about losing a report, or that they're going to forget to complete a report if they have to leave it half finished and go away. It's very usable. Then when it's printed in a very professional format that is appealing to the attorneys, it's appealing to courts, and most important, it's appealing to the public when those reports are released to public review.
One thing with the reports we found is the ability to have graphs and charts for the data that's in. It's been really helpful to be able to pull together a nice professional chart for the police chief or key people that just need a really high-level overview of what's happening. If we need to change a field or a page or certain reporting, we can do that on our own, and we can tweak the system to do what we need it to do pretty easily.
It is much easier than where I came from. I didn't do the IVR reporting from the other city that I worked for, but we had so many different things that just the technicians had to do before the other people who did the reporting had to. This one does it all on the back end, so when I do the report, it's pretty much done.
The fact that it walks them through what they need to do, it makes it easier. There's less reports having to go back saying you forgot this, because it checks the field off as far as what you need, what information needs to be there. I probably like in there the capability when we send a report on, we can kind of customize as far as take certain information out that we don't want that party to have, available and stuff like that. So it makes it nice that with a simple click of the button, it takes that person or whatever information out of the report.
It's minimized some of those steps. Like in jail, it's 1, 2, 3. I mean, it kind of guides them through that. So it's changed some of those the standard operating procedures that we had before to streamline, our work process, which, we wouldn't have been, it's improved that. It's improved our workflow.
What we've been able to do with the RMS side of eFORCE, we got some custom reports in there. So when we complete the required reports in the RMS, we go over to the custom reports, and we have those additional reports that we have to report with other agencies, which is right there close by. You don't have to search for them. They're on the database. You pull them up, you fill them out, and that's what's been great about it. It's a little bit different. Our traffic law is a little bit different from each state. So when we went in, and we noticed we had a few that was missing. So I was able to call in, and I think I talked with Shane that day, and Shane was able to go in and automatically have us updated within an hour. So I was very impressed with that.